Today I have a new electric tiller to share. This one is from Ework. Now they did send this one over for me to try out and to demonstrate for you. So with this one you got 14-inch wide and up to 7 inches of depth. And this one uses 10 amps of power. And the only thing that limits us is how long your cord is. So today I got a power station. And since it only uses 10 amps of power, you can get away with something a little smaller to power this. Now this does have a safety button on the side. You got to press that in to pull up the trigger, and that's it for getting this to work. As for assembly, this only took maybe 5 minutes to put together. It's super easy. So anybody who follows me knows that my property is pretty much all clay, and the dirt is kind of hard. So this test is going to be on clay soil. I'll do it on this stuff that's a little more packed, and I'll do it on some stuff that's a little looser, just to give you an idea. The wheels in the back are adjustable. All you got to do is pull the little pin out, push it upwards, and you're ready to go. Yeah, for packed in there pretty decently, that's actually chewing through it. I do need these wheels to be adjusted though, because they are a little too low. So I'll show you how that works. All right, so to adjust the wheels, we got a little cotter pin. We just got to pull that out, pull out this other pin, and then this will raise up and down like so. And then you just got to put the, or just reverse it, put the pin back in. And that's it for the wheel adjustment. I can show you using it on some soil that's still loose. But it's going to work great for either softer soils or gardens that have already been worked a bit. With it being plugged in, you don't have to worry about batteries going dead, and you don't have to worry about filling up gas. It's also a lot quieter compared to a gas one. The only thing you're going to be limited with, like I said, is how far you can go with your extension cord. But it doesn't use a whole lot of power, so you could always use a power station to power it like I'm doing right now, if you have to go a little further than what your cords will do. Now, you're definitely not going to till a farm with this, but it would be perfect for those that need to do gardens around the house or flower beds. You can also fold it down or even take this whole thing apart for easy storage. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.